Hello techies. Alright, we have our task here on the left pane, which is to encrypt finance folder and all of its content, give access to John. So let's start up right away. You go to File Explorer, open up File Explorer, and then this is in the D drive. So we'll go to this PC, scroll down, D drive, and this is the finance. So what we're going to do to finance folder, encrypt the finance folder and all of its content. So we right click on it, go to properties, advanced, encrypt these, encrypt contents to secure data. Yep, that's what we want. Alright, so click on apply changes to the folder, subfolder. Yeah, that's what we want. So click OK. So what else do we do? There is a folder there, 2022 reports. Let's open up 2022 report. So we have to give permission to John. Let's go to properties. We go to advanced. We go to details and we add, this is John. We click OK, OK, apply, OK, OK, we apply, we click OK, and everything should be fine. So let's check our answers. If this video was helpful, you might want to consider sharing so that others can benefit. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.